All right, so we're gonna do something different today. I am away from my desk, and I wanted to show you a little update on the market. So today we have, on the last 24 hours, Bitcoin and Ethereum have actually they have gotten some rejection. So it turns out that Bitcoin um, hit all the way up to 24,400, almost 24,500, and it got rejection. That's a level that has been getting rejection from. Um, since before. So we retrace all the way back to 23 again. That's actually, in my opinion, I said that this weekend we were going to have some rejection, that we were going to have a pullback. I am actually surprised how high we got. Look, um, same thing happened with Ethereum. We got some momentum today, almost hit 1800 actually, and got rejection under 1700. So, what's coming from here? I think that we may still have a little bit more of a pullback, but there is some momentum in the market right now. News are actually getting better. Things are actually changing almost too quickly. So I would say, in my opinion, no financial advice. I'm going to take some profit within the next couple of days, um, just a little bit, because there's nothing wrong with taking some profit. What if that this is actually just a short-term rally, which I think it may be. But I do think the bottom is in. So I'm not saying that we were gonna go back to 17,000 with Bitcoin. Like, I'm not saying that we're gonna see Ethereum at 800 and 900 bucks again. But I do think that we will have some sort of retracement. Okay, so looking at the 30-day, 1500 was a good support, so we may retrace back to 1500. I don't know if we're gonna get below it. I don't know if we're gonna get below it. But as I said, I don't think we're gonna see ourselves at 1900, 800. I don't think so either. All right, it's because I believe the bottom is in. The bottom was in all the way back when we hit below 1000 all the way in June or so, June 18th, I believe it was. Yeah, here it is. Yeah. So that's what I see happening. Let's take a look at Solana. Solana had some great momentum on the 24-hour chart. It hit as high as it's ever been, $46. I was not expecting that we were gonna go that high. That's actually very surprising, and it happened. Um, so we are now getting the rejection from that level, right? So when we hit new levels, typically we're gonna retrace a little bit. These bounces were very sharp, as you see. It was very, very sharp. So we hit 42, 43, retraced 42.17. That was the pullback. Then we immediately pushed back up to 44.73, retraced. Then we pushed all the way back up to 46 to form some sort of top. And at that point, we tried to retest it, and the momentum already was too low. So that was not financial advice, but that was a good sell at 46.48 if you could, right? Ideally, but I wasn't looking at the chart, so I didn't necessarily sell. And my average is really high. I'm not here trying to teach you or show trying to tell you to 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 sell and buy on a daily basis. Like, I don't think that that's, unless you watch all my videos and you watch the videos to come, maybe you will be able to pull it off on a positive note. Because what happens is that some people sell, let's say, $42, thinking that they're gonna be able to buy lower, like Flocky did. Flocky is still expecting Ethereum Classic at 20 at $22. I don't think so, right? So Flocky's probably expecting Solana at $30. I don't think so, right? So overall, we had some positive momentum. We're still positive on the 7 day for Solana. We are about to cross negative on the daily today, on the last 24 hours, because we've been going down on the last 1 hour. All right. So overall, the market's still positive on the last 24 hours. Most of the coins, but the coins that have had the most momentum, like Ethereum Classic, Solana, Ethereum, are actually retracing. So Ethereum Classic retraced below 40, so it's 39 right now. In the last 24 hours, it hit a good level of 41, and then it retraced. But it's been having it's creating its base, which is something that Ethereum Classic does. So you see, it's been creating a base right here. It created a base on the 32 for a little bit, but it created a very strong base on the $20 to $24, $22 to $24, and then it started shooting to the moon. And as you know, Ethereum Classic has been up by 118% in 30 days. Okay, it really was all the way down here, 13, 14, 30 days ago, and now it's $118 increase. Overall, healthy market. It is Saturday right now, so what do I expect for Sunday? I expect manipulation of the market, typically Saturdays and Sundays, because there's low volume. Anybody can push the market, the prices up and down. Also, I always say that during the weekends, what happens is that during the weekends, we get low volume, we get manipulation, and we get a lot of stops being triggered and a lot of liquidations being triggered because during the weekends, you can't oftentimes cover your positions if you're shorting or if you're longing. So because banks are closed, right? Many of the bigger institutions use a bank. That's how they work. Um, so that's what's going on. So one coin that I want to mention very quickly too is Polygon-matic. Polygon-matic has been having the same kind of level of momentum as Ethereum Classic has had. It's been up by 104% in the last 30 days. So that's not common. 13% in the last 7 days. So something is up with Polygon, and what is up is that many networks are using it instead of Ethereum to pay for gas fees. And Polygon-matic is a proof of stake consensus mechanism that does smart contracts and NFTs also. So I am using here on my phone right now CoinMarketCap. That's one of the tools I use. And if you go below, it gives you a little history of what the coin is about and what the coin does. I will probably do a clip on that later on so that you guys know. But this is one of the apps I use. So in the 1 hour, everything has been red in the 1 hour, so we're turning red. But Polygon has had a lot of momentum. All right. And I'm gonna soon enough, I'm also gonna talk about a little challenge I did, a little competition between two coins. I purchased the same amount of money on each one of them at about the same time, and we'll see who wins. Just a little fun competition. All right, so overall, as I said, the market's still positive on the last 24 hours, but the coins that have had the most momentum are actually retracing quite a bit. XRP is still having some momentum too, and it has to do with the litigation that's going on with them. So they're being up by 20% in the last 30 days, 8% in the last 7 days, and in the last 24 hours it's being up 6%. At some point it was up even more. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. FORTUNAFLOW, Darwin Fortuna here, licensed architect that invests in crypto. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.